to jump on here. I'm not exactly sure how this day is going to turn out. I don't know if I want this to be a day in the life vlog or if I want it to be a get it all done video. So I was watching one of my girls here on YouTube. Her name is Rashida from That's Charming. I was watching her video and she was basically talking about mental health and especially as moms and how things are not always perfect and we do get overwhelmed and frustrated. And I was literally just watching the video, her morning routine yesterday, and here I am doing my morning routine and my day is turning out so crazy. So when I woke up, everything was going fine. So the series up, I got him dressed, I got the dishwasher unloaded, the bed's made, my room cleaned, I did my solo morning routine, and then the other two wake up. So Giselle comes down, gives me a hug, tells me good morning like she does always. And then I asked her, where's Malachi, her brother, they share a room. She said, oh, he's changing his pull-up. So I was like, okay. So he's been doing that lately when he wakes up, which it makes him a little bit more independent. When he wakes up, he will change his pull-up and put on some clothes. So I'm like, all right, cool. But when he comes down, he just has the pull-up and his shirt from yesterday on. And I'm noticing that the bottom of his shirt is a little darker than the top of his shirt. So if you're a mom or if you know anything, then you know that it's wet, the shirt's wet. So I'm like, all right, cool. He peed in the bed, or his pull-up didn't hold and he peed through. So now I gotta, that's another load of laundry. So I gotta wash his sheets. So all right, cool. Then I take him upstairs and take his shirt off and give him some new clothes to put on. So that's settled. Now I'm getting breakfast started and then the doorbell rings. Unexpected maintenance person, well, not maintenance, but they have to do work on the gutter. All right, cool. Totally forgot that they were coming today. So I had to get that situated. And keep in mind that the breakfast is already on the table. Giselle wanted cereal, so I got her cereal. She loves Lucky Charms. And Malachi eats French toast sticks every day, faithfully. So it's already on the table, waiting for them. I told Malachi go eat. Giselle went to the bathroom, so I'm guessing, she had to use the bathroom really bad, which she should be using the bathroom when she first wake up in the morning. But, so she comes out, she has on a jumpsuit. Bottom of the jumpsuit, back of the jumpsuit is wet. And she said, I think I kind of peed. I'm like, you didn't kind of pee, you peed. That's pee. You peed on yourself. And then I just got so frustrated. I just told her, I said, just go upstairs and change your clothes. Go upstairs and change your clothes. So she goes upstairs, change her clothes, and something told me to go look in the bathroom because if she didn't make it, if her clothes are wet, then it gotta be wet somewhere else. So I go to the bathroom and there's pee all on the toilet and on the floor. So I'm like, great. Let me add cleaning the bathroom to my list on top of washing sheets, pissy sheets. So I don't know, that might not seem a lot to you, but just off the gate in the morning, I just got a little frustrated, so I had to take some time and, regroup. And I want to start showing more stuff like this because yes, I love being a mom and I love my kids and I wouldn't trade this life for anything in the world. But every day, every single day is not a good day. And I do have my moments where I don't feel like Superwoman and I can't get everything done. And sometimes I'm very hard on myself and I need to do better with that. Where are you going? So right now we're just gonna go strip the bed of the pea sheets, throw that in the wash, and then while they're chilling, I guess I'm gonna go clean the bathroom. And then hopefully we can get started on our day. Don't spill now. Another little mini haul of the order that I placed for Children's Place. I placed this order on June 12th and they came in several different mini packages. So this is one that came today. Alright, so I'm just sitting on some fresh laundry and I'm about to go. I want to make some muffins and then we're gonna go for a walk and then I'm going to tackle this. So alright, so we're gonna make the muffins. I have everything already laid out and these are just gonna be the cornbread muffins. The oven is already preheated and the pan is already lined with the cupcake liners. So I'm just gonna make it according to the package instructions. Okay, come on. Yep, Grace. Come on, Malachi. No. Walk. Come on, Mally. Dick. Muffins. Listen, I don't know what happened. I don't know if it's sunk or somebody stuck their finger in it. Either way. Now I need to take care of this mountain of laundry. Laundry I hate doing. Let me read it. It's not the laundry that I don't mind. I don't mind washing, folding. I mean washing and drying, but the actual folding and putting them up, oh, it irks my soul. Don't you ever wish that you could just, and it's all done for you? Yeah. All right, now what I want to do is I usually buy flowers like every week, every 2 weeks for the house. I love having fresh flowers and like fresh goods and stuff in the house. But I have this bush that's growing these, I don't know what they are, and I don't know how to say it or if it's even correct. Hydrangeas. I don't know, but I have a bush outside my house, so I want to go cut some. But I'm kind of seeing like, because I can see it from my window, and I'm kind of seeing like all these bugs and stuff that's flying around it. I don't know. But I want to go pick some and bring it in for the house. So this is what it is. So I'm about to go out there and get some for the house. So this is where I'm going to end this vlog. It is nap time and mommy needs some sleep.